Welcome back. We still have, we're halfway through getting to our third crown, and we're just fortifying the basic foundation in our French learning. I don't know if I still have that double XP thing, but I'm still gonna learn some French no matter what. That's why we're here today. Un chat mange.
Mange.
That's exactly how they eat too.
Marie mange.
Marie mange. So Marie is eating. Marie is eating. How do you say it past tense though? Marie mange. Marie is eating.
C'est une orange.
C'est une orange. It's an orange? Okay. It is a pizza. C'est une pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza. C'est une pizza. Oh. Ant? Is that what it means? Like an ant? Like a literal, like the bug? Yeah. I don't know what that means.
C'est une pizza.
C'est une pizza. So, it's a pizza. C'est une pizza. You are eating a pizza, so tu manges with an S?
Mange.
Une pizza.
Une pizza.
Pizza. Claps like that.
Tu manges une orange.
Learning some weird habits on this course. Here we go. What?
Tu manges une orange.
Tu manges une orange. So you are eating an orange. You are eating an orange. You are eating an orange.
Une fille mange un croissant.
Une fille mange un croissant. So a girl is eating a croissant.
Tu manges une pizza.
Tu manges une pizza. You are eating a pizza. So you are, eating a pizza. Tu manges une pizza.
Un croissant et une orange.
Un croissant et une orange. Spell it the same in French, right? I think. Orange. Un croissant et une orange. Same color.
Un garçon mange un croissant.
Un garçon mange un croissant. So, a boy is eating a croissant. A boy is eating a croissant. I didn't know how to spell croissant. Oops. Croissant. Is that how you spell it? Croissant. Yeah. Right. A boy is eating a croissant. Oh, what? Why is there a G in there? Ah, I don't want to lose a heart, man. A boy is eating a croissant. That's not fair, man. It is. Being lazy, I gotta double check my spelling. Okay, un chien mange et tu manges.
Mange.
Alright, man, now I'm in the zone. A woman is eating an orange, so une femme mange
Une
orange.
orange.
Une femme mange une orange. You are eating a croissant. Whatever, it's not hard. Wait, it is hard. I gotta type it in French? So, tu manges un croissant. Okay. Tu manges un croissant. You are eating a croissant. I think that looks right? We're not gonna get a ding ding. We're gonna get a ding ding, not a ding ding.
Un garçon mange un croissant.
Un garçon mange un croissant. So a boy is eating a croissant. A boy is eating a croissant. Un garçon mange un croissant. Deep breath. Whoa. Feeling it. Feeling the brain workout. Oh, I didn't get my dual dual XP. Oh, we're gonna catch those guys. Let's go see what the score is. Oh yeah. I'm in the reward zone. I gotta keep going though. Man. Do these people ever sleep? Alright. You know what? I'm gonna stop here. Take a deep breath and a sip of coffee, and I'll be right back for more damage.